कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाँव, कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव। बन लिया अपना पैगंबर, तर लिया तू सात समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया रे कबीरा, मान जा रे फकीरा, मान जा. So I went to all these dargahs and mandirs, Harsiddhi, that Shankaracharya temple. Such a tragic event. It will change a lot of things.
Okay, ma'am. So you came at the event. How is the event, first of all?
So event is great. I've been waiting for this event because, as you can see, I'm wearing tulpalav, Ikra's design. This is my Eid gift that she sent me. And I have so many of her outfits that I bought from her boutique in Kashmir, Srinagar, Tulpalav. And our friends Khabar and Wafa, they introduced us and they gifted us the first pair, and then we bought lot of it. And this was a gift from Ikra. So I was so looking forward to it, and I'm so happy to see they have made so many, like with those embroidery also, the Ari and Tilla work from Kashmir especially, on cottons, the cotton ikats, and on that she was saying some gauze cotton, but I would say it like mull cotton or something like that, which is very friendly with Mumbai weather, because the ones I have got are in satins or silks with heavy embroidery, so I can't wear those in regular wear. I can only wear those for my shows, but I wanted to wear, and so I have so many to check now and get for myself.
So if we talk about the event, so every clothes are related to Kashmir. So do you have any special moment or special memories about Kashmir or anything?
I have many. I have many. The most important I'll share you. First of all, I went to Kashmir for the first time in 2010 when Vishal was shooting for Sat Khun Maaf with Irfan Saab and PC, and it was so amazing. My first impression, I had gone for just 3 days because our son had a school, but then we wrote an application there telling them that we are visiting Kashmir for the first time and we don't want to come back. And then I stayed there for 11 days. So I went to all these dargahs and mandirs, Harsiddhi, that Shankaracharya temple. And there's another one, I said the wrong name, Harsiddhi is in Indore. There's another temple, बहुत फेमस है, देवी माँ का है और बहुत खूबसूरत है. वहाँ मैं हर ट्रिप में आई ट्राई एंड गो देयर. और फिर 2014 में when I spent lot of time during Heather shoot, so I didn't go on sets much, but I used to go to all these places. So in 2013, first Vishal went to attend some urs at this one Ash Maqam, which is in Pahalgam, but you have to go from Anantnag that time. And we went there, and by the time I reached there, I was called in Srinagar because I had to dub one song for Ayan Mukherjee's Ye Jawani Hai Diwani for Preetam, and they didn't leave me. I said I'll come back and do it. They arranged for the studio, and I had to go there.
In Kashmir?
In Kashmir. So I just touched the first step of Ash Maqam because there are some 300 steps to climb, and I just said my salam and prayers in my heart, and I went, and I was very upset. But then, yes, I reached a hotel at 10:45. I left for the studio. I went there and sang till 1 o'clock. They also did some parts of Ghagra also. And then I had a lovely drive. This friend, I have said now he's a friend, Khabar, was looking after their production. He was a very young person that time. So he escorted me. So he brought me back from Dal, that beautiful drive from Dal Lake, Gupkar Road to Taj, where I was staying. And it was the most beautiful, beautiful moment, I would say. And there are so many. And then what happened, the song I had dubbed was Kabira. And you know what happened to Kabira. So I always feel that happened because I was in Kashmir. I dubbed the song the day I visited Ash Maqam. So I just feel there is some cosmic divine connection out there, and so many times I feel I belong there when it comes to my spiritual journey. And I've worked a lot this year with a lot of musicians and singers from Kashmir. Arsalan is one, and there's one more person. I've done one full album, beautiful album with Muneem Alif. So, yeah, so somehow that thing is happening, you know.
If you talk about that, you worked a lot. You worked with a lot of Kashmiri singers, Kashmiri artists. So, do you think the situations of Kashmir is changing day by day? It's growing, and suddenly this thing happens, and it goes back to square one.
I don't know. I'm not that kind of an alert and aware person, but I'm sure what has happened, such a tragic event, it will change a lot of things there within Kashmir. But as an artist, I don't think I would stop collaborating with the artists of whether it's in Kashmir, because I collaborate with a lot of artists, whether they are from Kashmir, whether they are from Kolkata or from Punjab or any other place, because art has no boundaries, music has no language, no barriers. In fact, I feel we are the uh, messenger of love, peace, and yeah, I think that's what I can do. Only that I can do. I can do. I can't do anything else. So.
Okay, so I'm a very big fan of yours, and our audience are also very big fan of yours. If you can sing one of your favorite song to our audience, which will it be?
Okay, I'll sing Kabira for the time being, since I dubbed it in Kashmir. And everything is so beautiful here. See these vintage or antique kettles and pandan, charkha, like the loom, everything. They've designed it and they've placed everything so beautifully. So it's not just clothes or dresses, it's like a small mini Kashmir that gives you a glimpse in the heritage culture of Kashmir. जो वहाँ की जो क्या कहेंगे, संस्कार कहें, या जो तबीयत, या उर्दू में मेरे को लफ्ज़ याद नहीं आ रहा है, जो तहज़ीब है. सो इट्स जस्ट गिव्स यू दैट ग्लिम्स. सो कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, कैसे ठोर टिके ना पाँव, बन लिया अपना पैगंबर, तर लिया तू सात समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया, रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.